Before we start, let's gather all the materials. Canvas, flat brush, small round brush and a thin detail brush. Acrylic paints, white, yellow, black, orange and red. Cloth or a tissue for wiping brushes. Cup of water to clean your brushes. Let's move to the fun part, painting. Now let's create the sunset. Start with the flat brush, dip in the water. This helps the paint glide smoothly. Begin with the red at the top of your canvas. Use long horizontal strokes to spread the paint evenly. Don't rush. It's all about enjoying the process. Next, add orange just below the red. Slightly overlap the colors where they meet and gently blend with your brush. This creates a smooth transition. Finally, apply yellow below the canvas. Blend it into the orange for a bold sunset effect. Take your time for blending. This is where the magic happens. Don't stress if it's not perfect. Every sunset is unique, and so is your painting. If your paint dries too fast, use a damp brush to blend. Acrylic paint dries quickly, so give it about 5-10 minutes. Use this time to clean your brushes and prepare for the next step. Now that background is dry, it's time to plan the silhouette. Take a pencil and lightly sketch a tree trunk, branches. Remember, this doesn't need to be perfect. It's just a guide. The best part of art is that there are no mistakes, only happy accidents. Take your small round brush or a small flat brush and load it with black paint. Start with the tree trunk, making it thicker at the base and thinner as it goes up. Now paint the branches. Let them spread naturally. Use flat paintbrush for this dab dab. Next, use quick upward strokes to create grass at the bottom. Don't overthink it, just let your brush move freely. Rotate your brush slightly for varied grass shapes. If you would like to add more life to your painting, use your detail brush to paint small birds in the sky. Simply make V shapes. These small details can make big difference, but they are totally optional. Your painting, your rules. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner friendly art tutorials. Congratulations, you have completed your first canvas painting. How does it feel? Remember, every artist starts somewhere and you have taken your first step today. Keep painting, keep creating. I will see you in the next video. Bye.